Linda, they give you goosebumps. Well, for me, I just will say, now wise investment.
You got to talk about time, but wait.
Anyway, Linda done detention all of us for the past 1 week. She can't enter talk again. She wants to detention us, but we will keep her for one side because our guests don't enter inside the building. That's when we get to then a better Kajat person. He say get alter ego na brother Taju, and he gets his own genre of music. They call it What's Up music. So you're going to need to ask yourself, say, who they inside the building? But I'm not going to tell you. This music where you want to watch will actually tell you who they for inside the studios.
No. This is not something like a joking stuff. I've already placed order for the motor. In the next 1 week, it will arrive down. Are you doubting my status in society? No, it's like you didn't respect me. Please, I need you to exercise patience, okay? All right, kisses.
Hello, babe. Hey, hello, babe. Hello, babe. You get talk so many things I want to say. I the reason your love, say you the reason my love. If I don't see you today, say I go see you tomorrow. Hello, babe. Hey, hello, babe. Hello, babe. You get talk so many things I want to say. I the reason your love, say you the reason my love. If I don't see you today, say I go see you tomorrow. I want to pay your money. I for like to buy the cola, but I no go lie, I'm local. And you are from diaspora. I know they worry to be your babe, but if to say I get the pay, we for don't do the wedding tete, but I no get money to do it your way. She say, guy, you today like worry. Say I love you till I die, honey. She say I love you, no be buy money. She say I love you cause you kind to me. And even if you no buy me house, your ambition is enough for now. Even if you no buy motor, that one know me say I'll carry the go. Hello, babe. Hey, hello, babe. Hello, babe. You get talk so many things I want to say. I the reason your love, say you the reason my love. If I don't see you today, say I go see you tomorrow. Hello, babe. Hey, hello, babe. Hello, babe. You get talk so many things I want to say. I the reason your love, say you the reason my love. If I don't see you today, say I go see you tomorrow. She say she no get the talent. She say she no meet the target. I tell her she get the asset, but then no fit to see for market. No be that one you see for movie, or when you the browse internet. No be that one we get all the figure hate. No be that one be perfect. Oh yeah, come, let me see if our biology get the chemistry. Mama compose gently, but they show intelligence. Then we can rub my sins mentally. You can romance me. So I will tell you it's actually you that I fancy. Auntie, hello, babe. Hey, hello, babe. Hello, babe. You get talk so many things I want to say. I the reason your love, say you the reason my love. If I don't see you today, say I go see you tomorrow. Hello, babe. Hey, hello, babe. Hello, babe. You get talk so many things I want to say. I the reason your love, say you the reason my love. If I don't see you today, say I go see you tomorrow. You want all that can answer, I can be that one. Thank God.
Wonderful. So at least even Fars don't tell us, even if you don't build a house like Linda Ikeji, don't worry. You are still in the market. Nothing they happen for.
If I hear say no buy me, now get option. That's to be like
you get, no. You get option now. You feel buy a house like Linda, make you know quick see husband, or if you just maintain, maybe for you know see file.
Like serious.
You know.
All right. So why were they talking about buying house as Linda, like Linda? You will need to put them out inside our story for today. Okay. Now, trendy story. Linda don't buy house for inside Banana Island.
500 million.
500 million. And now she come outside talk say, I don't need to sleep with man for me to buy him. He said, ladies, you will not sleep with man to get money, to get everything. For what? 200K? That 200K is for my shoe.
By shoe alone.
Just for my shoe alone. So you had better not rely on a man. What should we say about Linda?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm Team Linda Ikeji.
Hey. Give me mine. Yes.
Thank you. So if you follow me for my Instagram, you will not observe that I address this point.
Okay.
Now, ladies of nowadays,
no, just leave her.
The question that I'm having for them, what is their usefulness in life? Why? Wow. Because instead of them to look at Linda Ikeji and take her as a role model, they will be waiting for Aristo that will give them thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming together with it.
I've been waiting to be thanks for coming.
Oh, say okay. No, I will explain this matter. I will explain this matter. So, based on people that used to participate
and these are Aristo business. Okay. When they go meet, when they go meet the man, the main man, the chief, the godfather, understand? Being that they already operate the transaction. After days now.
Na rice they sell beans.
Ongoing, you know.
Make me let that.
You know what they say. So on going back home, you get me now. They need something that they will take for welfare. Welfare. Yeah.
Reimbursement.
So you need to thank you so much. Reimbursement. You need to give them something. So that one, thanks for coming.
Hold on, no. Brataju, can we meet fouls?
All right, so now role model. Make girls take her as role model.
They need to take her as a road model.
Road model. Okay, road model.
Yeah,
It's road.
Yeah, it's at least based on days now, they can able to go in the real part of life.
Real part?
Yeah, the true part of life.
So if we never begin the blog, we never enter the real life?
No.
Wonder.
Blogging is the new stuff.
Hey.
Blogging is the new stuff.
I can imagine.
Yeah,
I can imagine those days
we need laptops
when
to
she
blog.
announced say I don't get house till now. People go down inside Google
new
go
blogs
down.
are the
I see one meme on top
Google say,
BBM.
you know what, no more space.
I see one meme on top BBM where one girl, they tell the boyfriend, say, oh, I better give me transfer money, I want to go see my friends. And the guy tell her, say, see, you want to go do Tatafo for free. Come here, Linda, don't buy house, I don't buy you laptop on the blog. Do the Tatafo, we go bring money.
Yes.
Oh my God.
No, it's true. At least if you are not having something doing, you can still open your Motorayo blog, Ireti blog. From there, you can still make it.
All right, see, ladies, if I don't actually give you your opinion on top, and she has to be your road model. Now, what do you not think?
Before we actually go on break, I mean, they talk say it will be wise investment.
Okay.
When I say it will be wise investment, I don't mean say based on the monetary value and everything. First of all, Linda is a woman, and she don't already make complaints, say she's still there open to the idea of marriage. Unless say she don't zero her mind, say, okay, oh, now YT I won't end up with. Fine, the YT fits, Mumu, follow you, live for inside the house. But for a Nigerian man, I'm sorry, the Nigerian man no go agree follow you enter that house. But like Queen B talk, when she don't buy a house of 500 million, any man will want to marry him now, he needs to put him for inside house of like 1 billion, you know, like 2 billion.
She don't raise the standard of what she
for herself. And she don't also extend the time of her singlehood.
If people say she won't give him for real estate, she won't give him for rent.
Thank you. No, make her ask you a question.
No, it's not stable.
Make her ask you one question now.
Now me be the presenter.
You want to ask you question.
I'll ask you a question now. Now, why you talk say na bad investment? Is it because of the marriage or because she spent that kind of money on top house?
Because of the marriage, I don't talk on her.
Because of marriage?
Yes.
No, but a house, property in Nigeria, in Lagos, can never be bad investment.
No, now, in terms of finances, yes.
Yeah, even if she won't marry today, the husband won't make she move come in your own house. Meanwhile, your house no fee be 10 million, 15 million.
If it be, she don't raise standard.
At least, we can still come down small, but at least maybe 250 million, we can still manage.
Can she manage? Now the question be that.
I think she will still be able to come down.
Can she?
I think she will still be able to come down. Okay. So maybe even if not half of what she gets, we ain't get, it's still okay. But she will still sell, rent, do anything with that house.
But of course, that one day now.
Yeah, but you know me say she no fit move come other house, go her husband house now.
Okay, but she said, but remember we not forget say she said that the house of her dream. Her dream, she don't dream her since they born him. Yes. Now she don't see him. Yes. The one man go come say, let's come down.
You know, Matt, can
we leave man out of it?
Yes.
No, we not feel leave him out of him because at the same time when she bring out the news about the house, say okay, I buy a house of 500 million. People they ask her question. She say yes, I still they open to the option of getting married.
She's also
what did she first do? She said, who will marry me now? If you notice now, what did she first drop?
So now she starts
now she dropped her. She don't bring the issue of marriage into the buying of the house. She said, who will marry me now?
Linda, please, I can marry you.
So people come they make comments and all that. When Monday come, she can't drop the pictures. Yeah. Okay, this is the reason why I asked if you want to marry me.
No, let me tell you, I will move into the house.
You're not going to your own apartment.
Your parents have go even one step with you. The guy parents. No, 2 days after they go forget about her. Serious, now so it be for Nigeria. We go talk about her, but 2 days after we go forget about her. You know me. So what? Now we still they fight for gender equality. We want to make it day equal. Yeah. So why? Because man won't move into a house where woman is like God bless her. Say now she first make them and we can't turn on to something.
Because we never fight and reach.
I agree, but somebody has to break the ice.
Now Linda will break.
Why you feel Linda not fit? You feel break the ice. Somebody got to break. I just there on that side.
No, I understand.
Then, based on what he talk, real estate na the multi-million business where they go on now for Nigeria.
Everywhere.
For the
because
world,
I
not
get
just
somebody,
Nigeria.
I get somebody who come up for entertainment industry, and the guy decides saying a real estate he won't go into, and in 6 months in life turn around for good forever.
So you know,
You understand?
But you go blue for real.
Yeah. So everybody getting calling, and I tell you, for Linda to
How's your own pot?
Nah, I'm just thinking
Are you
about
thinking about parking?
I'm looking at the options.
No, see, but if you make money, I tell you, invest in real estate. It did good. Now, very good business.
Of course.
For what we hear, Linda been done they buy house sell, but not with her Linda Ikeji name. Behind the scene, she done they buy sell till she moved to the Banana Island.
Right,
Obviously,
so
maybe she won't sell
resell
this
again.
But I
one.
got one question concerning
And if she puts name on top of
them,
them, everybody go want the house. Highest bidder go buy them.
Yeah,
My,
she buy, resell
my,
am
my
again.
question now, like you talk, she don't
Yeah.
they buy a house, they sell them, they buy, they
Yeah.
sell. Why she decide to publicize this one?
Because
this
it's a
time?
big house.
You know, no. Let's face the fact.
No,
Linda, if she buy earrings, she dey publicize them. So
Yeah,
now
she
house now
talk.
go publicize
They
them.
publicize them.
Excuse me,
Okay,
go on
maybe because I
Instagram
know they have
page.
follower, because
Let
I
me
know
tell you
they-
something. Go on Instagram page. She dey always tell you say this shoe
Yeah,
na
cost-
Prada.
cost so-
Because
so-
And
so-
sometimes she
100
dey measure with fake and original.
sometimes you go. I'm telling you, sometimes
dey
you go
measure
tell you.
with fake and original.
Imagine,
How can you
I just
sanctify?
spent.
No, you can sanctify.
You
We
can,
know
you
the
can.
shoes that we can sanctify.
Sometimes you go just post dress. You say, imagine I just spent $1,180. Please, I'm not just saying you
Go
pay for
on top of my
message.
Instagram.
Just
I
open up for
don't
them.
know.
Na normal
I don't
thing, na
know.
normal
Na normal thing for Linda.
Really?
So
Nobody call it social media. Now, what's they supposed to do for social? I want to tell you my
That
family
is the
problem
aim
for
of
social
social
media.
media.
my darling,
Now, what's it supposed to do?
my darling.
Right.
So you
Make
expect
believe.
Linda to buy apartment worth $500 million naira?
I'm
She
not
not
talking about
publicize
her.
them.
Hello.
How are you?
Are you angry?
No, hello, babe.
So I kudos to her. I appreciate
Yeah,
her
no,
effort, her
no,
hustle.
no.
If they like saying a man, you go try am. Whether you get man, we go give you more than her own. Still come, give her money. She go post them for you for her Instagram.
Now, waiting I actually like for waiting she talk be say a lot of girls feel say now only man feel make them rich.
That one I follow my sister.
I like when
argue.
she, a lot of girls feel say, hey,
Yeah.
make I not too also now. When I marry tomorrow, the man go buy house for me. He
you
go
so
buy
much.
car
So
for
if
me.
you buy the house
He
by
go
yourself,
buy me the
you
Thank you
gold
so
wey I
much
want.
for that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Why
for
wait
that.
for him?
And you see that is a serious concern.
I know, say go provoke.
It's a very serious concern now.
But that waiting.
The way the
Taju, go provoke, but Taju.
No, we need to address this matter. The way the society lays structure now, okay, is in such a manner that a woman, the young woman, will make her ambition in life to be married.
Oh, yeah, man.
Thank you.
Why will your ambition be
Because you
marriage?
feel you are not complete without a man. Hey, make I not. Imagine, even we say, imagine say your friends come to say I want rent apartment. Now,
Oh, I was told that story. They tell me.
Not
Duplex
even
I
about
want.
the story. You know,
Tell
funny
me.
enough, this morning for Inside Traffic Reports with me, they argue. Me, Bernard, and the cameraman, they argue on top of this issue. And me, being the only woman, then they want you style shut me up. Then they tell me, say, oh, say, no, they right. Say, as Linda buy house, say, man, no go marry him. I say, why man no go marry him? And they tell me, say, oh, because, say, she buy a house of that amount. Say, if the guy, wait, they say, if the guy do anyhow, say, because she get house, she go. I say, but if she not buy the house, she still get the funds. So if the guy do anyhow, she go still come
go
out.
buy
So
the house.
now you want to tell me, say, being successful now crime as a woman because, say, we won't marry.
But you know what? Times are actually changing. Men nowadays, some men where I don't see nowadays, they like already made women. Not be the one with
Me
the
say like already made man.
So not be the way they'll call enter. They start
Yeah,
to
so let's all
I
make each
testify
other
to
so we
that.
become made us.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
he testifies to it.
Make the man they successful. Make the woman they successful. Make two of them
Get
build
it merged
empire.
together.
We're talking about that as if a woman is living alone. Man, tell you, when I just come Lagos, I want rent house.
Oh, it happened to me too.
My friend come tell me, say,
You know what? We're going to need to buy small break, my darling. Because I know that this particular matter, they're very, very hot. We're going to need to buy small break right about now. When we come back, and we'll continue on top of the trending topics and where we get today. But first, the bad guy
Brother Taju.
is still in the studio.
still
So
here.
stay with us.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.